In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up a website using Cloudflare and improve loading performance with simple optimization settings. If your website feels slow, Cloudflare can help by delivering content faster, reducing server requests, and improving the overall experience for your visitors. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website you want to optimize. Before changing any settings, make sure your domain is properly connected to Cloudflare and that your DNS records are working correctly. Next, open the caching section. Enable the appropriate caching settings so Cloudflare can store and deliver static files like images, scripts, and style sheets more efficiently. You can also adjust the cache level based on your website needs. For most websites, the standard settings provide a good balance between speed and compatibility. Now go to the speed or optimization settings. Enable available features that help reduce file sizes and improve how content is delivered to visitors. Another important step is optimizing your images. Large image files can slow down your website, so make sure your images are compressed and properly formatted before uploading them. Next, check your DNS settings and confirm that your main website records are using Cloudflare's proxy service. This allows traffic to pass through Cloudflare's network. After making changes, clear your Cloudflare cache and test your website again. This helps you see the effect of the new settings. You can use website speed testing tools to compare your results and identify any remaining performance issues. Remember that website speed depends on several factors, including your hosting, code, images, and plugins. Cloudflare helps improve performance, but optimizing the entire website provides the best results. And that's how you speed up a website using Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.